1. Simple present tense. We use the simple present tense for habits, facts, and general truths, like positive, she plays the piano, or they work hard. Negative, she doesn't play the piano, or they don't work hard. Interrogative, does she play the piano, or do they work hard? 2. Present continuous tense. We use the present continuous tense for action happening now, or for temporary situation, like positive, she is studying English, or they are watching TV. Negative, she isn't studying English, or they aren't watching TV. Interrogative, is she studying English, or are they watching a TV? 3. Present perfect tense. The present perfect tense talk about experience or action complete with result in the present, like positive, she has finished her homework, or they have visited Japan. Negative, she hasn't finished her homework, or they haven't visited Japan. Interrogative, has she finished her homework? Have they visited Japan? 4. Present perfect continuous tense. These tense show action that start in the past and continue until now. Positive, she has been studying for 2 hours, or they have been working here since 2020. Negative, she hasn't been studying for 2 hours, or they haven't been working here since 2020. Interrogative, has she been studying for 2 hours, or have they been working here since 2020? 5. Simple past tense. We use the simple past tense for a complete action in the past, like positive, she watched a movie yesterday, or they played football last week. Negative, she didn't watch a movie yesterday, or they didn't play football last week. Interrogative, did she watch a movie yesterday, or did they play football last week? 6. Past continuous tense. We use the past continuous tense for action that were happening at a specific time in the past. Positive, she was cooking dinner at 7 p.m. or they were studying at that time. Negative, she wasn't cooking dinner at 7 p.m. or they weren't studying at that time. Interrogative, was she cooking dinner at 7 p.m. or were they studying at that time? Past perfect tense. We use the past perfect tense to show an action that happened before another past action. Positive, she had left before he arrived, or they had finished when the teacher came. Negative, she hadn't left before he arrived, or they hadn't finished when the teacher came. Interrogative, had she left before he arrived, or had they finished when the teacher came? Past perfect continuous tense. This tense describes action that continue up to another time in the past. Positive, she had been studying for 2 hours before the test, or they had been working there for years. Negative, she hadn't been studying for hours, or they hadn't been working there for years. Interrogative, had she been studying for hours, or had they been working there for years? Simple future tense. We use the simple future tense for action that will happen later. Positive, she will travel tomorrow, or they will start soon. Negative, she won't travel tomorrow, or they won't start soon. Interrogative, will she travel tomorrow, or will they start soon? 10. Future continuous tense. We use this tense for action that will be in progress at a certain time in the future, like positive, she will be studying at 8 p.m. or they will be sleeping then. Negative, she won't be studying at 8 p.m. or they won't be sleeping then. Interrogative, will she be studying at 8 p.m. or will they be sleeping then? 11. Future perfect tense. This tense expresses action that will be complete before a specific future time. Positive, she will have finished by 9 p.m. or they will have arrived by tomorrow. Negative, she won't have finished by 9 p.m. or they won't have arrived by tomorrow. Interrogative. Will she have finished by 9 p.m.? Or will they have arrived by tomorrow? 12. Future perfect continuous tense. We use this tense for action that will continue up to a point in the future. Positive. She will have been studying for 3 hours by 10 p.m. Or they will have been working there for 5 years. Negative. She won't have been studying for 3 hours, or they won't have been working there for 5 years. Interrogative. Will she have been studying for 3 hours, or will they have been working there for years? Simple past future tense. 13. We use the past future tense to express something that will happen in the future, viewed from a point in the past. Positive. She would travel if she had time, or they would play football if it didn't rain. Negative. She wouldn't travel if she had time, or they wouldn't play football if it didn't rain. Interrogative. Would she travel if she had time, or would they play football if it didn't rain? 14. Past future continuous tense. We use this tense for action that someone thought would be in progress at a certain time in the future. Positive. She will be studying at 8 p.m. or they will be working then. Negative. She won't be studying at 8 p.m. or they will be working then. Interrogative. Would she be studying at 8 p.m.? Would they be working then? 15. Past future perfect tense. These tense show action that someone thought would have been complete by a certain future time. Positive. She would have finished by 9 p.m. or they would have arrived by then. Negative. She would have finished by 9 p.m. or they would have arrived by then. Interrogative. Would she have finished by 9 p.m. or would they have arrived by then? 16. Past future perfect continuous tense. We use this tense for action that someone thought would have been continued up to a point in the future. Positive. She would have been studying for hours, or they would have been working for months. Negative. She would have been studying for hours, or they would have been working for months. Interrogative. Would she have been studying for hours, or would they have been working for months? And that's all for today about English tense. I hope this explanation helped you understand how each tense is used in English. And thank you for watching.